Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Fast Friday. I'm Original Dobo and let's just get into it. So a lot of vloggers, a lot of YouTubers use a Joby GorillaPod. And when you buy a GorillaPod, chances are you're buying this one, which is the base model, and it sort of sucks right out of the box. The clip on it is just horrendous and it's overall pretty flimsy. One of the easiest way to make the GorillaPod awesome is a ball head. Now, if you try to buy Joby's ball head, it's going to be really expensive, like $45 expensive. So my recommendation is pick yourself up a newer ball head. And yeah, I did say newer ball head, and come back here, get into focus. Anyways, this ball head is like literally, I don't know, 20 bucks, maybe $15 on a good day. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the old Joby Gorilla ball head off, just like I did here, and attach your quick release plate. And when you do that, you're going to get a nice rock solid design. And I mean, this thing is awesome. And look at this adjustment plate here. I can spin this around and not have to worry about anything. It's sort of smooth. It becomes very versatile at that point. And then you take your awesome camera that you're vlogging with or doing whatever you're doing, connect it like so. There we go. It's locked into place, not going anywhere. And bam, you've got yourself a badass vlogging camera, Joby GorillaPod, whatever you want to call it. It's amazing. And it cost you a fraction of what Joby was selling it for. So there you go. That is your Fast Friday tip. And I think we did this all in under 2 minutes. Sweet. I'm Original Dobo. I will catch you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the content.